Sometimes you might want to draw a more complex shape, and this is about that. So I have these two random shapes I drew, and I'm just going to put one on top of the other. And now what I'm going to do is select both of them by just clicking and dragging out this marquee box. And notice I also have got this, so I want to shift click on that to make sure I only have these done. So another way you could do is click on something, then shift click on it, or if I shift click again, it will deselect it. But I need these both selected. And up here, you'll notice these little buttons. And what they do is they'll create these, what's the best way to say this? Kind of these compound paths of subtraction and addition. So let's do the first one. I'm going to go to add. And so now notice, now this is just one shape that lets me, that adds those two together. Now we haven't looked at this. I will open up the layers palette and you'll see that it's created this thing called a union. I click on it and it'll show you that I still have both of these objects here. So if I wanted to, right, I could actually move this to where I want it, and now it's still its own object. So now I'm going to hit Command Z. You should always know Command Z does things in programs. I'm going to hit Command Z till I get back out here. Now I'm going to grab them both again. Man, this thing's driving me crazy. I'm just going to get rid of it. I'm going to grab these things, and this time I will hit Subtract. And so what happens is the thing that's on top will get subtracted from the things on the bottom. I'm going to hit Command Z. If you wanted to change the arrangements of these so the circle was on top, what you would do is select whichever one. I'll select circle, and we will go into Object, Arrange, and I'll just bring it to front because I obviously want it. That'll make sure it's on top here. So there it is. It's on top. Now when I grab it and I subtract, I'm subtracting the circle from there. You have other ones where you have the intersection point, and I'm just re-clicking on that to stop it, right? No, I won't do that. Oh, there we go. And we have only take the places where there's overlap, or don't take the places where there's overlap, exclude overlap, excuse me. And so you may find uses for these, but that would help you. I think a lot of this drawing would mostly only help you with making icons on your own. And now you don't have to make icons on your own, but should you want to do something, for the most part, you'll be making boxes and buttons and things out of these. You also may want to put in an image, and when we talk about images, I'll show you how to make a rounded image and things like that.